Hello everyone and welcome to a video of me just going to be driving like a retard, yelling at other Russian people because they can't drive, when in reality it's me who can't drive. But yeah, let's go. Let's put on our seatbelt, turn off our handbrake, and turn on the headlights and start the engine, foot on the brake, and come on. There we go. Right, shift into gear. Drive forward a little bit in the highest RPMs possible, and then just turn off blinkers and turn. Right, guys, what? Oh God! There you go, pedestrian. I'm a safe driver. Now the problem is, I really can't see. Whoa, there we go. Alright. Right, what was I gonna talk about? Thank you for 190 subscribers. It really is a lot. What am I talking about? Right, what do you guys want me to play? This is gonna be like a video update thingy. Update. Can I use the paddle shifters? Just tell me a game I should play, and I'll play it. But so yeah, that's pretty much it, you know. So you can end the video here, you know. So subscribe, leave a like, stuff. I'm back. Nah, not really. I'm back. I'm just messing with you. But what you could do, or what you could do. Hello everyone, and I'm back, and welcome back. And yes, that was my dad who came in. So yeah. Anyway, like yeah, I'm back. I really don't know what I'm doing. Is it? It's good. Alright, by the way, I'm back in a new car. It's the Audi Q7 V12 TDI. I'm not reading it off the back. I know these kind of stuff, I promise. Yeah, I'll stop trying to act cool. Anyway, this car is pretty, I don't know what to say. It's pretty ugly. Not ugly, but oh, why? What? Oh, there we go. I wouldn't want to have this car in real life myself. I don't know why. Just no. Ow. Alright, fair enough. So, what are you guys doing? Having a good day? Alright, that's cool. Pretty good. Fair enough. God damn it, I can't see anything. Now we can be in this lane. Alright, why did I stop talking? I don't know. I'm just tired. Not tired. I can't concentrate on one thing. I just, no. Concentration. That's good. Concentration. Wait, did I say? What was I talking about now again? I don't remember. Anyway, let's just give it some good old gas. Oh shit. The brakes in this car is not realistic at all. What? Come on, game. I know you can do a better job. Ah, come on. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba, waiting for the light. Can I not turn any other way? Where's the map? Should we turn right or left? Let's turn right. What's there to the right? Not much. Wait, hold on. If I want to turn right, I'm in the wrong lane, aren't I? Wait, there's no car. There's a car behind me now. Well, I guess we're turning left, right, left. Oh god, I can't decide. Alright, let's just go. Come on, let's go. Let's hope to God there was no cops here. Yeah, I don't think there's cops in this game. But, Tokyo Drift. Oh shit. Oh god. Note to yourself, do not use the handbrake in the middle of the street at 100 kilometers an hour. Yes. You can use it here. Oh god. Oh my god. I can't believe I actually... Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Holy shit. I can't believe I actually did that without hitting too much. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Right. I think we were here when we stopped. No. We were up the street a little bit, but it's dark now, so you know. That's cool. Oh wait. Where are we here? I can't see. Stupid BMW, my Audi is better, as Americans call it. Not Audi, but Audi. They say Audi. Well, some do, not all Americans. I love you, American. Come on, I love you, American people. Don't hate me. Hey, oh, the wrong. Oh, come, God, yeah. Shh. Don't honk at me. I'll honk at you, goddammit. Can I turn right here? I think I can. Oh, no, never mind. I think I can turn right here. Yes, I could. Pedestrian accident. No, he came into my lane. Oh, you know what? No, hold on. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, that's fair enough. Ow, ow. What did I hit now? Move out of my way, peasants. Let's go. Come. Ah! Oh shit, I'm so sorry. No, not really. But, you know, maybe a little bit. Do you guys want to try to go out on just some street racing stuff in this giant Audi? Yay! Nom nom nom! I eat you, stupid guy. Wait, what? Wait, what? I think I'm eating the other cars. Oh god. Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna have to stop here. See you guys later. Bye bye.